Have you ever found yourself standing in front of your closet, feeling completely uninspired by the same old clothes you've worn 100 times before? Maybe you're tired of reaching for the same faded jeans and neutral tops, wishing you could break free from the routine and try something new. If you're craving a change, you're not alone. So many of us are ready to leave behind the dull and predictable and step into a season that's bursting with energy and possibility. Spring 2025 is finally here, and it's bringing a wave of excitement to the world of fashion. This isn't just another season, it's a fresh start, a chance to reinvent yourself and your style. Imagine city streets coming alive with color, people expressing themselves through bold choices, and a sense of confidence in the air. This spring, fashion is all about making a statement and having fun with your look. It's time to say goodbye to the boring and predictable, and hello to a world of bold colors, vintage-inspired pieces, and effortless style. Picture yourself and your friends laughing together in the sunshine, each of you rocking a look that's uniquely your own. Maybe it's a retro jacket, a pair of wide-leg pants, or a dress in a color you've never dared to try before. This season, it's all about experimenting, mixing and matching, and letting your personality shine through your clothes. Spring 2025 is your invitation to express yourself with confidence and flair. Whether you love to stand out in a crowd or prefer to make a subtle statement, there's a trend for you. From eye-catching patterns to unexpected textures, the options are endless. This is the perfect time to try something new, step outside your comfort zone, and discover what makes you feel truly amazing. Think of this season as a breath of fresh air, a chance to reinvent your look, experiment with new trends, and have fun with fashion like never before. Head to your favorite boutique with friends, try on those pieces you've always admired from afar, and don't be afraid to take risks. Shopping for spring outfits becomes an adventure, filled with laughter, excitement, and the thrill of finding that perfect piece that just feels right. Whether you're drawn to vibrant colors that make you stand out, playful prints that show off your fun side, or flattering silhouettes that highlight your best features, Spring 2025 has it all. Explore racks of patterned dresses, bold tops, and statement accessories. This is your moment to curate a wardrobe that reflects who you are and who you want to become. The best part? This season truly has something for everyone. No matter your style, your body type, or your budget, you'll find looks that make you feel confident and excited to get dressed every day. From classic staples with a twist to daring new trends, spring fashion is more inclusive and expressive than ever before. Gather your friends, share your favorite finds, and celebrate the joy of dressing up together. So get ready to step out in style and turn heads wherever you go. With fresh, fashion-forward looks and a renewed sense of confidence, Spring 2025 is your time to shine. Embrace the season, express yourself, and make every day a little brighter with your unique sense of style. This season is unique. It's a playful mix of old and new, bold and refined. Forget stuffy rules. Spring 2025 is about breaking free and embracing individuality. Think high-quality fabrics and sophisticated designs, but with a fun, modern twist. Imagine luxurious silks in vibrant neon hues, or a classic trench coat paired with bold statement earrings. It's all about looking polished and put together, while still letting your personality shine through. Get ready for a color explosion. This season, fashion is turning up the volume with a fearless embrace of bold, electrifying shades that demand attention. Everywhere you look, from the runways of Paris to the bustling streets of New York, vibrant colors are making a statement. It's not just about wearing color, it's about celebrating it, letting your personality shine through every outfit you choose. Spring 2025 is all about embracing vibrant hues. Designers are pushing boundaries, encouraging everyone to step outside their comfort zones and experiment with shades that radiate energy and confidence. Whether you're a longtime lover of color or just starting to dip your toes into the rainbow, there's something for everyone this season. Think electric pinks that light up a room, shocking yellows that turn heads, and vibrant greens that feel fresh and alive. These aren't just colors, they're moods, they're statements, and they're here to transform your wardrobe into a celebration of self-expression. Don't be afraid to stand out. This is your chance to break free from the ordinary and let your style speak volumes. Whether you're walking into a party or just heading out for coffee, bold colors can instantly boost your confidence and put a smile on your face. If you're new to wearing bright colors, start small with pops of color. A single vibrant accessory, like a neon belt or a pair of statement earrings, can add just the right amount of excitement to your look without feeling overwhelming. Add a bright handbag to a neutral outfit for an instant style upgrade. This simple trick draws the eye and adds a playful twist to classic pieces, making your ensemble feel fresh and modern. Or try a colorful scarf with a classic white tee. It's an easy way to experiment with color, and you can switch up your look in seconds. Scarves are versatile, fun, and perfect for adding a pop of personality to any outfit. Feeling bolder? Experiment with color blocking. This trend is all about pairing two or more solid, contrasting colors in one outfit for a look that's both modern and artistic. It's a playful way to mix and match your favorite shades and create something truly unique. Pair contrasting colors like emerald green and mustard yellow for an eye-catching look. These unexpected combinations can be surprisingly harmonious and are sure to get you noticed. Remember, balance is key. Let one color take center stage while the other plays a supporting role. And don't be afraid to experiment until you find what feels right for you. If you're wearing a neon top, keep your bottoms neutral to let the color really pop. This creates a chic, balanced look that's both bold and wearable. So go ahead, embrace the power of color this season, and let your wardrobe reflect the vibrant, joyful energy of spring 2025. Prints are back in a big way this spring. After seasons of minimalism and muted tones, the fashion world is embracing a joyful explosion of color and pattern. This year, designers are drawing inspiration from decades past, the wild side of nature, and the beauty of blooming gardens. Whether you're a fan of vintage vibes, animal magnetism, or romantic florals, there's a print trend for everyone to fall in love with. Retro patterns, animal prints, and bold florals are taking center stage. These prints aren't just for statement pieces, they're showing up on everything from dresses and blouses to accessories and even shoes. The best part? Mixing and matching prints is not only allowed, it's encouraged. This season is all about expressing your personality and having fun with your wardrobe. For a retro vibe, try a geometric print top or dress. Think bold shapes, vibrant colors, and patterns that harken back to the 60s and 70s. These eye-catching designs instantly add a playful, nostalgic touch to your look. Pair a geometric print dress with chunky heels for a true throwback feel, or opt for a patterned blouse with high-waisted jeans for a modern twist on vintage style. Pair it with minimalist accessories to keep the focus on the print. Simple gold jewelry, a sleek belt, or a classic handbag can balance out the boldness of your outfit. The key is to let the print shine while keeping the rest of your look understated and chic. Love animal prints? You're in luck. This season, they're more versatile than ever. Leopard and zebra are key players this season. These classic animal prints have been reimagined in fresh silhouettes and unexpected colorways, making them perfect for both day and night. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try a pop of animal print in your accessories, or go bold with a statement piece. Try a leopard print skirt with a simple black top for an effortlessly chic look that works for brunch, the office, or a night out. The contrast between the wild print and a classic neutral creates a balanced, fashion-forward outfit. Add a pair of ankle boots or strappy sandals to complete the ensemble, or opt for a zebra print blouse with tailored pants for a sophisticated take on the trend. This look is perfect for making a statement at work or elevating your everyday style. The black and white palette of zebra print makes it easy to pair with almost anything in your closet while still turning heads. Don't shy away from florals. This season, florals are bigger, bolder, and more beautiful than ever. From delicate daisies to dramatic roses, there's a floral print for every mood and occasion. Florals are perfect for spring events, garden parties, or simply brightening up your everyday wardrobe. Oversized blooms add a touch of drama to any outfit. These statement prints are perfect for those who want to stand out and embrace the joy of spring. Try a maxi dress with large floral motifs for a show-stopping look, or mix smaller florals with stripes or polka dots for a playful, fashion-forward ensemble. Choose a floral dress with strategic placement to highlight your best features. Look for prints that draw the eye to your waist, neckline, or legs, depending on what you want to accentuate. With so many options to choose from, this spring is the perfect time to experiment with prints and let your style bloom. Spring 2025 offers a range of flattering silhouettes for every body type. From flowy maxi dresses to sleek, body-conscious cuts, there's something for everyone. Love a relaxed fit? Try a flowy maxi dress or wide leg pants. These styles are comfortable and chic, perfect for both casual and dressier occasions. Prefer a more body-conscious look? Opt for a figure-hugging dress or a top with cinched waist details. And remember, The key is to choose silhouettes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Layering is your secret weapon for spring. It adds depth and dimension to your outfits while allowing you to adapt to changing weather. Experiment with different textures. Try a silk blouse under a chunky knit sweater or a cotton tee under a sheer, flowy dress. And don't be afraid to mix and match. A denim jacket adds a cool girl vibe to a flowy dress, while a blazer instantly elevates a casual outfit. Accessories are the finishing touch to any outfit. This spring, it's all about making a statement. Bold jewelry is a must-have. Think chunky chain necklaces, oversized earrings, or sculptural rings. Choose one statement piece and keep the rest of your jewelry minimal. Sunglasses are your best friend on sunny days. Opt for oversized frames, unique shapes, or vibrant colors. When it comes to bags, go for structured totes, sleek clutches, or playful crossbody bags in bold colors or prints. Don't be afraid to adapt runway trends to your own personal style. You don't need to copy every look. Choose pieces that you love and that fit your lifestyle. Mix and match trends with your existing wardrobe. Love the neon trend but don't want to go all out? Try a neon accessory or a pop of color in your makeup. Remember, fashion is about having fun and expressing yourself. Spring 2025 is your chance to shine and express your unique style. Fashion is all about having fun, experimenting, and feeling confident in what you wear. So go ahead, mix bold colors, playful prints, and flattering silhouettes to create a look that's all your own. If you loved these tips and want more style inspiration, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest fashion updates. Stay stylish and see you in the next one.